Welcome back. So, guys, you may ask me a question that, so Surendra, we took this much of pain in developing this configuration as part of a cursor. What is the need with this cursor? Why we need this cursor? Is it really required? See, basically, whether it is a cursor or a GitHub Copilot, whichever it might be the AI tools, the beauty with it is the test script creation. So, guys, if you remember, in order to do a test script creation, we went further like a debugging mode. We have identified the locators and we performed, right? Now I'm pulling my cursor chart. Okay, so what is the flow that I want to generate here is okay. So I want to create. Okay, I want you to create a new function inside demo scripts.ts file with a name as test alerts one. This is what my function is. Okay, test alerts function. What it needs to do basically, it should have a logic for launching the app. Okay, launching the app. Click on components. Okay, click on a components on my mobile application. Upon clicking on a components, click on alerts and dialogues. Okay, upon clicking on a alerts and a dialogues, then pick the first alert, click on it, and on the confirmation, click on OK button and wait for 5 seconds. Then close the app. That's it, guys. This is the chunk. So whenever I give this particular prompt, what it's gonna happen is, as we have opened a cursor on top of your DAO source code base, it does has a complete information about all the locators. So as and when you hit this particular send button, right? It took around 40 to 50 seconds for me to type this particular prompt, but cursor is reading that particular file and it is checking the alert UI structure for identifying the elements as it is on top of our DAO code base itself. It is simply analyzing that particular DAO source code base, and it's gonna generate a piece of a code for me, and it is giving it as a function test alert one let app launch. See here, that it got a generated. See here, the script it got a generated. That's perfectly all right, and it gave you a command to run this particular command. So guys, one thumb rule that you need to consider here is, it's not a mandatory that always you need to run the commands from your cursor. You can run it from your cursor, or you can go back to your Xcode, you can run it. See, the test script generation using a AI, we have a generated using a cursor. Let's go back to your Xcode. In your Xcode, the script is being showing it up. So as and when, okay, let me come up once again. Okay, so what happened here? Why it did I close my cursor? Okay, let me reopen my Xcode once. Okay, let me reopen my Xcode once and see what exactly my new file that it got created. In the libby UI test, open this demo. Okay, and is this the function name test alerts one? Let us cross-check that particular function name test alerts one. Okay, that's fine. Let me try to run it from here. Okay, you can create the script from your cursor. You can run your script from your cursor, or you can create the script from your cursor and you can run your program in your Xcode also. It's up to your wish how exactly we can handle it. Okay, perfectly all right. Okay, good enough. Done the deal. Okay, let's wait for a second until the execution should complete. So, okay, so let's wait. Okay, so it's executing, but anyways, more or less the same thing, right? It just launched the app. Though we didn't discuss about sleep, right? We will be studying about that sleep moving ahead. But for now, the script got generated successfully with a prompt itself. The accuracy here is 100% accuracy. The reason is generated our automation scripts on top of our DAO source code base itself, so that your cursor has generated an appropriate script for us. cursors. Okay, your cursor has generated an appropriate script for us. Okay, perfectly all right, good enough. So it's taking a while to execute it, but you know how exactly you can execute the test script, right? Using a simple prompt, as of now, we generated a script which took max 20 seconds to 30 seconds to generate the script for us. Okay, guys, perfectly all right. Moving ahead, we will see how exactly we can use the prompts and how exactly we can generate the test scripts. Also, we will look at it. Okay, as part of our upcoming lectures, we will look at it. But as part of this program, it should navigate to the components. It should click on the alerts and the dialogues, and it should click on the first alert and handle it perfectly all right. That's the way how exactly the script execution is happening. Okay, good, done the deal. So as of now, guys, one thing that you have observed is we used a AI in generating the test scripts. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next lecture. Bye bye.